Today we will be going over how Shiba Inu coin is going to go to the moon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you guys want to join our private Discord where we talk about our favorite crypto and our thoughts on the stock market and crypto market as a whole, go ahead and click the first link in our description. And if you want 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850 and want to start trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, go ahead and click the second link in our description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, Shiba Inu. So the first website we're going to be looking at is going to be lunarcrush.com. This is actually a website I like to use, we're not sponsored by the way, to see how the social feeling is among different coins. So if we take a look at Shiba Inu here, obviously we are all red. These are compared on a day-to-day basis. So yesterday when we had that huge crypto drop, a lot of people started talking about it a lot yesterday. So when compared to social volume from yesterday to today, obviously it's down a bit. But if you look over the past day, it is the 20th, you can see the social volume went from about 1,000 down here all the way up to about 3,000. So we are looking like we are trending upwards in the amount of social volume today versus how much it was yesterday. But yeah, so that's going to be that website. Then we can go over basically how Shiba Inu's price is up 73% from its lowest point yesterday. And then these people are trying to tell us what's coming next. I'm going to make my own determination and do some technical analysis at the end. But let's see what another perspective has to say also. Basically, they start out by saying that Shiba Inu price is attempting to stage a comeback after it crashed sharply yesterday. Obviously, we know as crypto investors, everything took a huge crash yesterday. Personally, I did not buy any more Shiba yesterday than I already have, just because I didn't want to, or it fell past its previous support, so I wanted to see where it'd make its new support. But as of today, obviously in yesterday's video that I made on Shiba Inu, I said that I would update you guys with my new thoughts on where its support is a day from then. So here I am, and I have new thoughts on that. But let's continue with the video. The coin market has a market cap of about 3.8 billion, which is sharply lower than its all-time high of 10 billion. Obviously, Dogecoin also crashed. But anyways, we're not really too interested in the background. We pretty much all know the background if you've watched any of our videos. Turning to the 45-minute chart, I use the 30-minute, but same thing. We see that SHIB price has bounced back more than 70% as traders rushed to buy the dips. Yeah, so a lot of people were buying the dips yesterday, and we rebounded pretty nicely today. It was up 18% when I last checked right before this video. I believe, yeah, we're up about 19%. But yeah. They have a chart here, and they said, so is this the start of a major rally? It is difficult to tell because of the significant volatility of the coin. I would kind of disagree. The coin has become less and less volatile as we have seen less and less volume over the past few days, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But they say that if it rises, the next key level to watch will be 12.3. Which I will say that is the next resistance line that it does have. So yeah, they're saying to watch the 12.3, which is slightly below its overnight high and along the lowest level on May 17th. And then they say that we can also not rule out another dip towards this week's low of that 6. But that was during the major crash that we had, so I would say that's probably pretty unlikely, but you know, it's also a possibility. So they're talking about this, you know, when we had that crash and it dipped all the way to this 6 level. But ever since then, we have been trading, I will say, pretty volatile. But compared to when we were trading way above these levels, you know, there's a lot more volume over here than we have had in the past few days. But as you see yesterday, after the huge crash, people were using this as an opportunity to get in, and we basically bounced back up just like the rest of the crypto market. Obviously, we didn't recover to prior highs, but over the past few days, we have just been trying to break this resistance level of about 12.4. Let me see if I can draw a line on here. I never used the trading view aspect on CoinMarketCap yet, but yes, we can draw. So basically we have this resistance line of about 12.3. It's a bit higher, but you know, resistance lines are not to be messed with too much. And then we also have the support line right here at about the 8 level. So we want to see which way is Shiba Inu going to break. If they break above this resistance level at about 12.4, 12.3, then we can see, what's it called? We could see another run up to the moon perhaps, but we can see a run up to about 17 would be the next level, or after that would be 22, so obviously doubling in that case. But if we go below, our next level would be where it got to previously, at about that 6th level, just like they said. So that's pretty good. Something that I noticed as we are watching this is that we are on a downward trend over the past day-ish, or not day-ish, over the past few hours, because we were looking at for a swing trade here on the 30-minute time. But we are on a downtrend, as you can see. But we do have this stock or crypto pattern, trading pattern, called the 3 white soldiers. So the 3 white soldiers is basically when you have a downward trend, and then you see 3 large candlesticks. So this middle one isn't too large, and this top one isn't too large either, but I would expect a trend reversal from here, and I would expect us to go back up to test this resistance level at about the 12.43 range. So that is looking great for us, as not breaking the support, but even if it does go back down, I expect the Shiba Inu to bounce off the support at this 8 level. I think we break this resistance level in the next couple of days. Volume has picked up ever since this crypto dip. Everyone's trying to get into crypto now that there's some better prices for them. I got back into Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin yesterday, just the big guys, because they're on such big dips. I'd rather get into like the big dogs that took really big dips. But yeah, I think we break this resistance level and go up and test this 18 sooner rather than later. But these are the levels that we all need to be watching out for: this 8 and this 12.3. If we break the support, we go down to 6. If we break this resistance, I would expect to go up to the 15 or 18 area. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If we take a look at just like the overall Shiba Inu price, it's up 14% over the last day or so. It was up 18%, but it fluctuates. If you look at volume, down 27% compared to yesterday, just because there was so much, so many people selling, and then also during that huge crash, and then also buying as soon as they wanted to buy the dip. So there was a lot of people buying yesterday. Volume down 27%. I think that's reasonable considering how big of a day yesterday was for crypto investors. But overall, looking very good on the charts, and we just need to be looking out for these levels right here. And that's pretty much going to be it for my analysis. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu? Are you getting out? Are you guys getting out of crypto? Do you have paper hands? Do you have diamond hands? Let me know. I want to know. I had diamond hands yesterday. Didn't sell a single thing. Only bought. But that's just me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would consider commenting, liking, and subscribing to the on our videos and to our channel, that'd be so awesome. And if you guys want to also put on post notifications so you never miss a video, that'd be awesome. Make sure you guys get signed up with our private Discord, everything else, and the links in our description. And I think that's it. My name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.